Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Guide. Today's podcast topic is education and modern learning systems. Perfect for IELTS Speaking Part 3.
Oh, sounds serious. Should I wear glasses to sound smarter?
No need, just wear your thinking cap. Part 3 is all about opinions, ideas, and good English. Let's dive in. All right, let's begin. How has education changed compared to the past?
Well, education today is much more technology-based. In the past, everything was about textbooks and chalkboards, but now we have smart classrooms, online courses, and digital learning platforms.
Nice start. Next one. Do you think online education is as effective as traditional education?
I think both have pros and cons. Online learning is flexible and convenient, but traditional classrooms give personal interaction, which helps students stay motivated.
Excellent balance. One more. What skills are most important for students in the modern world?
I'd say communication and digital skills. These days, even if you're a genius, you need to know how to present your ideas clearly.
Exactly. That's Band 8 thinking. Your answers are good, Rena, clear and logical, but let's level them up for Band 8 Plus. Use advanced linking phrases like, from my perspective, in recent decades, it's undeniable that. Add examples or contrasts to sound analytical, and use topic vocabulary, interactive learning, critical thinking, virtual classrooms, educational reform, lifelong learning. Example upgrade. From my perspective, modern education emphasizes critical thinking and creativity rather than memorization. This shift helps students develop real-world problem-solving skills.
Oh, that sounds so official, like I'm running for education minister.
Haha, exactly. That's the IELTS Band 8 vibe. Hey everyone, if this IELTS practice is helping you, pause for a second and show some love. Go down there, like this video, subscribe to Mr. English Guide, and share with your IELTS friends who love smart English. Your support keeps our podcast growing and free for learners around the world. Okay, ready for more challenging ones?
I was born ready. I think.
Here we go. Do you think technology will completely replace teachers one day?
Honestly, no. Technology can help, but it can't replace the emotional support and understanding that human teachers give. A computer can explain grammar, but it can't motivate you when you're sad.
Beautifully said. Very natural and thoughtful. Next, should schools focus more on creativity or discipline?
That's a tough one. I think creativity should come first. In modern times, innovation is more valuable than strict discipline. But of course, a balance is important.
Excellent. Balance is key. Great use of argumentation. And the last one, how can education prepare students for the future?
In my opinion, schools should focus more on practical skills like teamwork, emotional intelligence, and adaptability. These help students survive in a fast-changing world.
That's a Band 8 answer. Natural, clear, and full of insight. Let's quickly summarize why these answers are high scoring. 1. Fluency and coherence. Logical flow with natural transitions. 2. Lexical resource. Advanced vocabulary like emotional intelligence and adaptability. 3. Grammatical range. Mix of conditionals and complex clauses. 4. Content. Clear arguments supported by examples. Pro tip. In Part 3, always explain your opinion, plus give an example, plus finish with a conclusion. For example, In my view, technology should support teachers, not replace them, because personal connection is essential for motivation.
So it's like making a mini essay, but speaking version.
Exactly. You're talking, but with structure and confidence.
Teacher, I think I'd love to study in a school with robots and coffee machines in every classroom.
Haha, that's modern learning indeed. But make sure the robots don't grade your essays.
If they do, I'll teach them how to give me band 9.
Smart plan. You're definitely learning the IELTS way. Confidence first. And that wraps up today's Mr. English Guide podcast. We explored IELTS Speaking Part 3, Education and Modern Learning Systems, learned how to build strong opinions, and used Band 8 Plus expressions naturally. If you enjoyed this lesson, like, thumbs up, comment your opinion. Can technology replace teachers? And subscribe for more weekly IELTS podcast episodes. Next episode, IELTS Speaking Part 4. Describe a time you helped someone.